Most developers of recent vintage can't help themselves but add Visual Chrome to a bare-bones terminal interface. It's just not cool to review AI's changes as a post-process. We need to feel involved in real time, and so Gen Z startups bring quote-unquote deep IDE integration, like buttons to accept or reject AI's changes as they're generated. Here's the public demo of an up-and-coming editor's Claude code integration.
So we can see it's made a couple of different edits here. Not only can I see the different here and just scroll up and down, 120 frames per second, but I get this really nice review experience where I can just see all of my diffs right here. I can reject or keep them one at a time, or I can just bulk say, yep, all these look good to me. I'm going to keep all. And now I want to...
You can tell by his unrelenting positivity and mouse use that he's not an Emacs user. So we geriatrics were relieved when foundational AI companies followed Anthropic's lead in choosing command line interfaces. The less adorned the text, the easier Emacs can engage with it. The vultures and shovel makers will try to impose buttons, drop-down menus, and opinionated scaffolding like agent-client protocol. But Ed Helms at Anthropic had this to say.
Basically the model has more contextual understanding of the high-level task that it's trying to accomplish. So therefore, it doesn't need as many sort of guardrails.
Right.
And in fact, those guardrails, in some cases, become like a liability to have.
I like this guy's take, mostly because it means less work for a vulture and shovel maker like myself. But do yourself a favor and install a more sensible libv term from commercial Emacs. Your agentic CLI will thank you.